Hello guys and welcome to the channel today, Dom's Coins. So today we're going to be showing the beginners out there how the coin hunting works and what you can do. So as you can see right there, penny box, only 25 bucks. You go to the bank, you ask for one. If they have one, they'll give you one most of the time, usually with no trouble. It's a little bit harder to get the other denominations once they get above a dime box, which is 250. Just in case sometimes the bank needs them. But anyway, so there's your box, and then what you're gonna do now. I use CoinMets to help me with all the dates on it and stuff, but they have books out there and other stuff that you can use to know what you're gonna look for. But this is mainly what we look for right here, especially the 98 through 2000 YDM. The 1994 reverse and the 1972 double die obverse, and then I don't really check for a lot of this stuff. The 1936 and 41, I do look for that, and sometimes the 1917 if we do find one, but that's about it there. I don't really see a lot of the other stuff, so. And the 1995, which I found before, and the 1992. So those are what I mainly look for right there. And then this is mainly just showing different dates that are better because there wasn't a lot minted. And right here is little key dates. We did find a 31S one time, low mintage there. Have not found any of these yet as well either. And also you want to look for the 1969S double die obverse as well. Very valuable. That's my dream coin. So anyway, we're going to get right started and show you the enders. So let's work fast. We'll crack this box open and we'll see what we can find. And that box is just for discards only. We really passed the glue on this one. Alright, hopefully these boxes are better than the last couple of penny boxes that we had. And looking at everything, I don't see any enders to report. I do apologize for my dog barking in the background. This one looks like it could have an extra one, but a little taller than every other one. But start with roll 1 and go to roll 50. Let's see what we can do. Okay everyone, so we're going to start off real quick with this box here, roll number 1, first wheat penny. So right there's our first wheat penny of this box, hopefully many more to come. And could be old, possibly. Not too bad, 1951 Denver. Okay guys, so roll 5 of the box, we have our second wheat penny here. Box is getting pretty good. Looks like it could be a decent one here now. Another 1951. This one's out of Philadelphia, number 2. Okay guys, so roll 5 of the box. We have our second wheat penny here. Box is getting pretty good. Looks like it could be a decent one here now. Another 1951. This one's out of Philadelphia, number 2. Okay guys, the next roll number 6. And we have another wheat penny. There you go. Looks like we have a 1942 out of Philadelphia, so we're getting older. Let's keep it going. Number 3. Okay guys, we have good things going on here. Roll 8 of the box. We have 2 wheat pennies to show you. So right here, here's our 2 wheat pennies. We're going to start with the back one first. We have a 1945 out of Philadelphia, and then the second one 1957, so that'll help our wheat penny count. Number 5. Okay everyone, so roll 10 of the box and just laid out the roll. And right there is our next wheat penny, 1946. 1946 out of Philadelphia. So we're doing good. Wheat penny number 6. So everyone, next roll. And towards the back of the roll, we have another wheat penny here, and this one 1957 in Philadelphia, so another 1957, number 7. So everyone, I just laid out the roll here, and check that out. There's a 30s. We're getting older in this box. 1937, Philadelphia, great shape too, very nice. That is number 8. We're getting older. Okay guys, so we're on roll 15 of the box here, and we have another wheat penny to show you. 4 coins into the roll, and it looks like it could possibly be older. Hopefully it is. Hell yeah, 1937 out of Philadelphia again. Let's go. That's number 2 on the old ones, number 8 for the box. Okay guys, so roll 19 of this box, and we have another wheat penny right there towards the back of the roll again. We have a 1952, a new date, 1952 out of Philadelphia. So everybody, the roll that I said looked pretty high. Actually, I just counted it out. There's 53 pennies in this roll. Hopefully it's got a wheat penny. Let's see what we can find. So guys, a little bit past halfway the box, and we finally uncovered our next wheat penny here, wheat penny number 11. And it's right there. There it is right there. We're going to check out the date because I can't see. 1953 from Denver. Very nice. And it looks good too. Number 11. Roll 31 of the box, and we have another wheat penny here. And we almost missed it. 1957 out of Denver. Almost missed it. Then I saw the tails. Okay, so we have another wheat penny here. 15 rolls to go. Roll 35. And it's smack dab in the middle here. Hopefully it's something good. We'll see what we got going on. Really nice shape too. Very cool. 1958. So everyone, roll 38 of the box, and we have another wheat penny to show you here. And it kind of just came out of nowhere here. 1953 out of Denver, so they're starting to slow up. We were doing real good at first, but a decent amount. Alrighty everybody, roll 45 of the box, and we finally came across the next wheat penny here. It's been a long time, but we got one. So let's hope that it's old. 1944 out of Philadelphia. Roll 47 in the box, and we got another wheat penny. So it's right there. It kind of popped out a little bit. 1951 out of Philadelphia. Very nice. And we'll tally up how many wheat pennies we have at the end. Okay, everybody, so the box is all done. So right now we're going to, before we do a full wrap up, we're going to get the Canadian coins. We have 13 of them. And I know we have a couple upgrades, so we're going to get into our books. And then once we get into our books, I'll bring you guys back in. We'll show you where the coins are going to go. Okay, everyone. So I have the book out for the Canadian, the older Canadian cents, and so the first one we did find in 1957, 100,601,792 minted, and then we found our bird cent, 1967. Over 345 million. So we're going to get these in the book, then we'll get the newer book out. Okay guys, so the two that we found for the newer book, we're going to start here. So we have a 2011 with a mint mark. So that goes into the spot past the 2010s. And then also, we have a nice upgrader. This 2006 goes with that 2006. It's a lot better conditions. So we're going to put those in there, and then we'll get to the wrap up with the wheat pennies. Okay guys, so here's the wheat pennies for you. So we had two 1937s out of Philadelphia, which you don't see every day. Then we had one 1942, one 1944, one 1945, one 1946. Then we had three from 1951. We had a 1952. Then we had two from 1953. We had three from 1957 and one from 1958. So 16 total, which is a good amount of wheat pennies. And then also, we had a really nice 1974 and a gorgeous 1960D. Unfortunately, the 1960 didn't have any doubling. on the obverse. But thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. And hit that like button for me. And subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.